Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Remember to use my referral links in the description below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. Today I'm going to talk about the news that Donald Trump will be delaying the tariff increases on China. So as I mentioned, Trump's will be suspending China tariff hike, and he'll be holding off raising tariffs on hundreds of billions of dollars in Chinese imports after what he called very productive trade talks in Washington this weekend. This is very good news, and I'm hoping tomorrow it'll reflect this very positive news. So tariffs have been scheduled to jump from 10 to 25% next Saturday, but Trump agreed to postpone that increase in hopes of negotiating a more comprehensive trade agreement. And the president tweeted that the two sides had made substantial progress on issues including protection of intellectual property and an end to the forced transfer of U.S. technology. And President hopes to finalize a deal during a face-to-face meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping at Trump's Florida vacation home. Assuming both sides make additional progress, we will be planning a summit for President Xi and myself at Mar-a-Lago to conclude an agreement, the president wrote, celebrating that he called a very good weekend for US and China. The trade talks were initially expected to wrap up Friday, but had been extended through the weekend in a sign of positive momentum. And just going to the tweet that the president tweeted, look at the bottom tweet. I'm pleased to report that the U.S. has made substantial progress in our trade talks with China on important structural issues, including intellectual property protection, technology transfer, agriculture, services, currency, and many other issues. As a result of these very, look at the top tweet, productive talks, I'll be delaying the U.S. increase in tariffs, now scheduled for March 1st. Assuming both sides make additional progress, we will be planning a summit for President Xi and myself at Mar-a-Lago to conclude an agreement. A very good weekend for U.S. and China. So again, this is very good news on both sides for US and China. So hopefully the market tomorrow, the stock market tomorrow, will reflect that, this positive news. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on this? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.